Please share for 10 seconds with people saying near you if you circle the same things.
Wow. That's exactly what everyone else circled.
Circle bright, soft, low, stream.
Sun is bright, winds are soft, stream will be nice.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Raise your hand if you notice something. So what are the things that you notice about this for tone or attitude? Let's go with what I called on. Gracia.
Oh, okay. Caged bird, because there's like a bunch of positive things and there's that one negative thing.
Excellent. So she noticed something that I was hoping that you guys would. She noticed there's one negative thing in the very beginning.
Kathy, that was her idea.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Asia took this.
Okay, so yes, there's one negative thing. It starts the poem with something negative, and then it's really positive. How would you actually paraphrase this sentence? Raise your hand. How would you paraphrase this a long sentence? Think about what it's doing. So Rahila, you have to raise your hand. You're not going to get a ticket, right? Yes, Alice.
Like the surroundings of where the bird is. It's
Okay, I like it. So, beautiful surroundings of the bird. Remember, we have to read this poem a few times to make sure we get it, so we're still going to do paraphrasing. I'm still noticing you guys saying things like, that's a metaphor. Awesome. Annotate that. We're going to come back and do connotations of these things the second time we read it through. I know why the caged bird beats his wing till its blood is red on the cruel bars. What's something that you should notice right away? I heard he's trying to get out. I heard it's negative. So in TP cast, what part did we just notice? So think about TP cast.
Oh yeah.
shift.
It's a shift in tone. So I would draw a line and put shift in tone. It went from positive to negative. What's the word that we talk about when it's describing two different things? Contrast. So when we're using, I think that the poet here is trying to contrast something. So I know why the caged bird sings, or beats his wing till his blood is red on the cruel bars, for he must fly back to his perch and cling, when he fain would be on the boa swing. All right, what I want you guys to do, so instead of me doing this, let's have you guys go ahead as a small group. I want you to circle words that reveal attitude and tone, and then I want you to paraphrase. So what are the three things that you guys are going to be doing, Ariana? Yep, attitude, tone. Good. Go ahead and do that now to level 1.
All right.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Good. Make sure you tell this positive thing.
What are you circling?
Where's pain?
Why are you recording people?
Because I need to record my stand here. But what are you?
Oh, pain, unthrobbing.
I'm not.
Where?
Recording my
Scars.
Living. I mean, but okay. Steam is bad. I know. I can't wait.
What else?
Cruel. Oh my god, why didn't we circle cruel? It's right there.
That was the first thing.
One of the main ones, cruel.
Maybe get a close up on Stephanie. Like close up, slow.
That's so mean.
3, 2.
I mean, you spent so much time getting pretty today. You should
That's
be.
true.
My boyfriend.
And 0. Oh, all right, pretty good. Thanks, guys. Can I have one person tell me how they paraphrased? Please raise your hand. I've been letting you guys do a lot of call out, but I want you to raise your hand. Oh God. Oh no. Aaron. Oh.
I see. I said the bird.
Thank you for coming out.
The bird hurted himself.
Hurt. The bird hurt himself.
Hurt himself because he was tired of getting out the cage. And it caused scars and old scars to read.
Was he tired because he was getting out of the cage and coming back?
Yes.
Okay, I might disagree with that. I think you're right. He was hurting himself. Ashanti?
The bird was like continually hurting himself, trying to get back to his home. Not his home. It's not his home.
Nope, that's not it.
It was something.
You're trying to get out the cage.
He's trying to get out of the cage, but he hasn't yet. So if you look at it, where can someone find one quote? We need to start matching evidence. Someone find one quote to support that he wasn't leaving the cage. Tyron.
It says in the old scars. That means he's been there for a long time.
Yeah, he's been there for a long time and he couldn't break free. That was pretty good. All right, let's look at the last one. We're on the very last stanza. Now we're running out of time, so I'm going to push you guys to do this in 1 minute on your own. 1 minute to circle words that reveal tone, attitude, and paraphrase on the left-hand side under literal. Asia, you gonna make it?
No.
Oh.
Oh my God.
On your own, guys.